shine away. So now that the clothes are done, sometimes I put them in the dryer for 5 minutes just to help with the wrinkles. But for some people who doesn't have a dryer, you can just shake that and hang them. I'd like to have less wrinkles, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the dryer. But okay, some clothes are like wools. I don't put them in the dryer because they shrink, so I'll just put them in the basket. So you don't want those fabrics shrink. So before I put them in the basket and bring them outside, that's how I usually do the clothes before I'm gonna put them in the basket. I organize them a bit so it's easier for me when I'm ready to hang them. So in this side, they're like usually bigger items until the smaller items right there. So here it's the blankets and jeans, shirts, because they're alike. Put them together because they're all shirts or polos. Here would be my son's pants and his shirts and t-shirts, and onesies for my daughter, and small tank tops and shirts and onesies and towels, and the rest of the smaller items. So I'm gonna go ahead and now I'm gonna go ahead and put the clothes in the basket from small items to the biggest, because outside later I'm gonna hang the biggest items first all the way to the smallest. So I'm gonna do that now. So I started hanging out the clothes, as you can see. I'm not done yet, but I hang them. I put alike together. I'm still gonna continue.
And the towel.
So the clothesline is almost full. We'll just do the rest later. And the towels are here.
And
there, the upline is right there. And whatever was left on the basket earlier is already there, hang. And I'll show you here. So what I did here is I clip both socks together. See that? So as I put the clothes away from the clothesline, I folded them. So those are clothes there, so that when I bring them back upstairs, they're ready to put away. So these need to be in a hanger, and so with the 2 polo shirts. Okay, today I wash bed sheets, so that's how I hang them. That's how it looks at the bottom. They put the clips there. And that's how my bath towels look like when they're hanging outside.
I love you too. You should show them what you're doing.
Hmm?
You should show them what you're doing. Oh. How about that top? How about that top? How about the top?
Oh, I need the clips now. I need those clips.
Needing what? I need clips. Clips. I need something.